This poem is by Brian Jones. It's called About Friends. The good thing about friends is not having to finish sentences. I sat a whole summer afternoon with my friend once on a riverbank, bashing heels on the baked mud and watching the small chunks slide into the water and listening to them plop, plop, plop. He said, I like the twigs when they, like that. I said, there's that branch. We both said, The river flowed and flowed, and there were lots of butterflies that afternoon. I first thought there was a sad thing about friends when we met 20 years later. We both talked hundreds of sentences, taking care to finish all we said and explain it all very carefully, as if we'd been discovered in places we should not be and were somehow ashamed. I understood then what the river meant by flowing.